How to fix something went wrong error on YouTube. Seeing a something went wrong error on YouTube, don't panic. This is often tied to a network or cache issue. Let's walk you through some easy steps to fix it. Start by ensuring your network connection is strong. Toggle between Wi-Fi and cellular data to test if the problem is network related. On Android, just clear the cache on YouTube's app. iPhone users can offload the app to remove temporary glitches while keeping the data intact. An outdated app can trigger unexpected errors. Head to App Store and update YouTube to the latest version. A quick restart also helps reset background processes and can eliminate error messages like this. If nothing works, reset your network settings. This clears saved networks but can fix deeper connectivity issues. One of these steps should solve something went wrong error, so you can get back to streaming without any interruptions. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.